Hi, my name's Jason Moan, and I own my own dishwasher cleaning service. And if you need your dishwasher clean really good, you got all that gunk inside, it just won't come out, call my company. We come over. We're really cheap. Watch my photo example right here. This is my wonderful example. I do this at my own house. Take a look. Seriously, you're going to love this. Look how clean it is, folks. It don't get much cleaner than this. Only problem is it takes about half a day to rinse it off. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.